Hello, my name is Dhananjay Kumar and I work as customer advocate for Telerik India. In this quick video, I'm going to show you that how we can perform automated web testing using Telerik Test Studio. To start with, create a new project, and here you can give any friendly name for your project, and let us give it my first test project. It is a funny name, but let it be, and you can choose the location. I'm choosing it on the desktop and click on OK. Once you got a project here, just right click and add a new test, and here you can choose a test from web, load, WPF and manual testing. Let us select web test here and click OK. Once we got the test, double click on the test to go to the test tab, and here you got different options which you can perform, and let us go and here record a test. You can record a test only in IE browser. However, you can run the test later on any browser installed on your machine. Here Test Studio is connecting to IE, and after getting connected, we are going to perform a Bing search, and then we'll modify some of the elements on the page and see how Test Studio is helping us rather. Here in the Bing, let us search for Telerik and click on the search button, and here we got it. In top you can see that in the IE toolbar this Test Studio has been docked, and here you can choose any option, like you can enable or disable the hover, you can pause the recording, you can reconfigure the recorder, or you can explore the DOM. So let us go ahead here and select enable or disable the hover, and here you can see that you can hover over any element on the page. So let us go to this element, and you can see that when you keep your cursor there, you see a blue bubble out of there. Just select that blue bubble, and here you get a lot of options which you can perform, like add to the project elements, locate in DOM, view 3D, and etc. For the purpose of this video, what we are going to do, we'll be doing a quick task, and here you see that a quick task available to us, that whether we want to verify that particular element which we hover is visible or not visible, or that text contains this particular text like .NET UI controls reporting, etc., or that element is enabled. Just select that text contains and close the browser to stop the recording. Here you see that that verify text contains .NET UI controls. We have added that there using the docked panel, and here you can go and modify that this particular element contains this string. Just go ahead and just remove this. We want to check only that whether that contains .NET UI controls, and save it. Now go ahead and run again the test. You can choose any browser installed on your machine to run the test. I have only Chrome and IE. I'm choosing IE and running the test. And here you see that all the 4 steps in the test has been passed successfully. You can view the log from here, and you can see that that test completed in 3 seconds and 474 milliseconds, and all the steps listed here. Now let us go ahead and purposefully try to break the test, and for that what we are going to do here, we are going to change this contains to not contain. We are saying that if that particular we are going to test that particular element if is not containing the string .NET UI controls, and save it and run the test again. And here you see that the 4th steps failed because that particular element contains the string .NET UI controls. And here if you go to the view log, again you can get all the informations about the test which we just ran, and for this particular error you just click on this and you get all the information about the failure like we were searching here, you get a message that in that particular element we were searching that .NET UI control should not be contained, but it was contained. If you go to the images, you see that these two images, like what was expected and what was the image at the time of failure. You can very much go ahead and see the page DOM. You can resolve the failure from here, and you can export this result to a file, or you can export this to HTML5 HTML pages or anywhere. Now just click OK here, and you can see exceptional details here also, that is giving you that that particular element does not contain that particular text which we were searching for and what it was exactly contains. Click on OK. And in this way you can perform automated web testing using Telerik Test Studio. So I hope this quick video is useful to you. Looking forward to see you again. Thank you.